from school. Sonu, can't you hear me?
Mom?
What happened to you, my little son? Is it everything alright, my darling?
Yes, Mom. Nothing serious. Tomorrow I have my English grammar test.
Oh, don't worry, my dear little son. Your mummy is always here to help you. Okay, now tell me, what is your topic for tomorrow's test?
It is noun and pronoun, Mom.
Okay, first let me teach you what is noun. Are you ready, baby?
Yes, Mom.
Now, just look around the things around your room, Sonu.
Yes, Mom. I have seen.
Can you list out their names?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, tell me.
I see cat, photo frames, books, bed, pillow, windows, laptop, guitar, cupboard, coffee cup, books, and you, Mom.
Yes, darling, you're right. Noun is nothing but the name of a person, place, and things.
Okay, Mom.
Now you are clear about what is noun. Okay, next let me teach you what is pronoun. Sonu, now tell me, who is your best friend?
Soniya is my best friend, Mom.
You can also replace her name Soniya by the pronoun she. Okay, now tell me a sentence by replacing her name by the pronoun she.
She is my best friend.
Very good. Pronoun is nothing but it is used instead of a noun. It can be a I, you, we, they, he, she, or it.
Thank you so much, Mom. Tomorrow I will write my test well.
All the best, my dear son. Now go and change your dresses.